When you come to Clever, you will see some of your favorite resources, and you will also see some teacher pages. Some of the resources I have been able to put in the Pit Crew resources, but there are a couple of them that I can't figure out how to get them to go in there. One of those is Pearson Realize. You will find it down here at the bottom in the extra links, and I just favorited it, and then it moved up to the top for me, which made it a little bit easier. Today I want you to go into Pearson Realize. When you get into Pearson Realize, you're going to see something like this. Looks pretty boring. Come over here to the right-hand side and pick Pearson Realize again. Now you're going to have to set up your page. So you're going to pick English. You're going to pick a profile icon. Then you're going to have to pick a background. And then you are ready to go. Now once you get into here, you're going to see your math book, some classes, some things I have signed to you, and some grades. Click on classes, and you have something that has been assigned to you called a quick check. So you're going to click on this, click on it again, and now you have your quick check to start.